Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. Now here we are able to successfully fetch the details from the API. Now if I click on this one, so we are able to fetch the API details. Where is this? What is happened? So we are not able to get it or what? One second. Let's check it. Yeah, get book details and we are calling this one, right? Let's refresh this page again. And here I will search this one monk, and here if I click on this one, yeah, now we are able to call this. So we are able to successfully get the details, and also we are able to format this one also. Now it's time for us to show these all the details here. Let's go into the book details.js file, and here I will be creating one simple div. Class name is equal to book details, and this is our book details, and here I will be having one div, and here I will be having one image, and here I will show some book.image, and we don't have this book, right? So here we get this book details, and we are consoling the details. And now here let's create a constant book comma set book is equal to use state of, so right now the first time it will be empty, and here we will be having this one, right? So let's here set is book, set book, that's it. So we are preparing the details. Now book.image is there. Now let's see the output, and here if I refresh this page, and now hopefully we don't have any errors. Fine. And now here I will be clicking on this monk. Now if I click on this one, so we are able to see the image successfully. We are able to see the image, and now let's have some formatting, and this book details is there. Let's go to the app.css, and here I will do the book details, and here I will give some padding of 10 pixel. Okay, so left top, and yeah, and here in the right hand side I will show all the details. So now here we will be having the, now let's have this div, single div, and here h2, and I want to show the book dot title. Let's see, here I am able to see the book dot title, and we have a book dot subtitle also. Let's format it here. So subtitle is equal to item dot volume info dot subtitle. I have seen that one, subtitle is also available. So let's take this subtitle, and here in the book details, let's go here, and I will do the h3 also, and here I will have the subtitle. Okay, fine, done. Now we are able to see the subtitle also. I want to show this one in the right side. Let's go to the book details, and I will do d-flex. So we have this class, right? So d-flex, and I want to have some gap between these two. Okay, let's go to the book-details, and I will apply a gap of 10 pixel. Now if you see, the gap has been applied, and I want to remove this margin. Okay, let's go to the book details, and I want to have an h2, and I will keep a margin of 0 pixel. Now let's see the output for this one. Okay, we'll keep it like this, and we will display the remaining all details also. So here in our h3 and all those things, I will write one ul, and here an li, and I want to show the year also. So book dot publish book dot year, and I want to show the publisher also. Okay, let's copy, and here I will show the publisher, and here we'll be having publisher, and whatever the things are there, publisher, ISBN is also very important, right? So let's have this ISBN, and here I will show this, ISBN. Is there any other things other than this rating? Leave it, I don't want to show it. Yeah, here, so that's it. It's enough, more than enough. Just we want to know the concept, inner concept, and let's design this small thing. I don't want to go deeper into the design. So book details inside this ul, and I will have this margin of 0 pixel. I don't know, it's a padding, I think. This style none. Let's see whether we can able to see it or not. Yeah, it gone, and it should be not margin, it should be a padding. Now if you try to see here, yeah, I will keep it like this only. Now we are able to successfully we are able to show the complete details. If I click on back, we are able to show back the details. Now if I click on this one again, and I am able to show these details. If I click on this think like monk again, so we are not able to show the data. So here I need to click and I need to again press like this, double click, I need to do it. So what is happening here? So the thing what is happening is, so if you try to see here the output in our book details, okay, so this get book details will be called only on the when the component is mounted. So this book details already the component is mounted. Now I am trying to click on the another one, but this book details is already mounted, but the ID has been changed, but this use effect will not be executed. Why? Because this use effect will be executed only on the mounted state. So now we need to execute this use effect on mounted as well as whenever the selected ID is also changed. So then what we need to do here, you need to write selected ID. So then it will fire on the ID change also. So here if I click on this one, see this time it will try to change. Now if I click on this one, see here it is trying to change. So like this we'll be able to use the use effect. And the final thing which I want to tell you is so I want to add a loading symbol here. So when it is trying to fetch the details from the API, by the time it needs to show a loading symbol, then afterwards it need to display the details. So this one we already did for this list details and all those things. So let's try to use the same concept here. Constant is loading, comma set is loading, and for the time being I will keep it as a false. By default it will be a false. Now here is loading is there. So when I need to make it as is loading, set is loading of true. I want to make it as a true. And when all these things are completed, set is loading and I want to make it as a false. So after all I need to make it as a false. That's it. Now I want to show this is loading. So where I need to show this is loading? Here. I will copy here. Is loading. When this is loading is there, I want to show the loader. So which is a component which we have created earlier. And we are importing that component here. If you try to see here, suggest it's a simple component. And I am using this one. Loader. And if loader is completed, then I need to show this complete here up to here. I will copy this one and I will paste it here. That's it. So that's it guys. So here I am using the is loading and all those things. Now if you try to see the output, the same output if you see here, let's refresh this page and I will go to the monk. If I click on this one, see I'm able to see a loading symbol, see loading and all those things. Now you'll be able to observe carefully. So this is how we are applying a loading symbol, and also we are able to see show the complete details also. If I click on this back, so we are able to see. So this is how we will be showing the particular book details when we click on the list. So hope you understood about this one. What I will do is I will commit this code in a new branch, that is nothing but video-64, video-64, and I will commit this code. Let's commit this code. So show the single book details. And I am committing this code. I am publishing this branch. So this GitHub repository link is provided in the description below of every video of this React course. And if you have any doubts or any code, if you want to refer this code, means you can go back to my GitHub repository URL and you can refer to the particular branch, particular video, whatever the video you are watching, you can go to that particular video branch and you can watch, you can see the code. So that's it guys about this one. Hope you understood about the rendering of this book details. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.